everybody, my name is Mathew Aguiar. I am the CEO here at Westport Federal Credit Union. Welcome to Meet Your Banker. I have been with the credit union since December of 2018. I started actually as the interim CEO / Chief Financial Officer and was promoted to CEO back in February of 2020. So I can basically assist members with anything really. I mean, typical account research, looking into different loan rates, loan scenarios, things of that nature. Pretty much everything, I can do it. My most used emoji, I actually looked at it on my phone before this. It's either the laughing emoji or the red heart. So my number one recommendation, I'm going to give a food recommendation on this, and it's actually right next door to us here. It's Nick's Pizza. They have the best tuna sandwich. So my favorite product or service at Westport Federal Credit Union has to be all of them, because it's all about utilizing all the different products and services that we offer here, from free checking to mobile deposit to low loan rates, low auto rates, low mortgage rates. I mean, it's really everything that I love about this place. So my proudest accomplishment would definitely be working my way up the banking ranks, from starting off as just a teller and making my way into the more background positions, as including CFO and now CEO. So my first job was actually also in Westport. I worked at White's of Westport, right down the street from us here. I was a busboy, and yeah, I cleaned tables and all that fun stuff when I was 16, 17 years old. So I'm going to say the worst part of my job is not having as much member interaction as I used to back when I was on the front lines, working the teller area and the front end of the credit union. So doing a lot more back office, looking at numbers, things like that. So I don't get as much member interaction as I would like. So I guess I would say that's the worst part of my job. Avengers or Power Rangers? That's a tough one. I mean, obviously Avengers have some really cool powers, but they do end up turning their backs on one another at certain points. Power Rangers, you know, they need one another to succeed. It's a team effort, and without one Power Ranger, there's no Megazord. So I'm going with the Power Rangers. Favorite dad joke? I'm going to give you guys 3 of them. So in the spirit of fall, if money really did grow on trees, what would be everyone's favorite season? Fall. How did the dinosaurs pay for their bills? With Tyrannosaurus checks. Last one. I need a new bank account. This one ran out of money. Skill that everyone should have: common sense. That's all I ask. So a lot of people might not know this, and I know I don't look it either, but I'm actually 100% Portuguese. I speak it very fluently, and it was actually my first language. So definitely some pros of a small credit union is we are able to give back low rates to our membership. We're all about the community. Cons is obviously we're competing with a lot of the larger institutions which have more resources, more manpower to maybe offer some more than what we can, but that's really why the pro here comes into effect, where a lot of teamwork, a lot of working together to try to drive the credit union to that next level. So why did I choose banking as a career? I actually initially went to college for accounting. I actually went out for ice cream with my now wife to Cold Stone Creamery, where I met one of my, ended up being a future coworker. He got me a position as a part-time teller at an institution, and as they say, the rest is history. So I've had many dream jobs in my lifetime, from wanting to be a weatherman, because I really like weather, love sports, so whether it was sports casting or being in a sport itself, which I'm obviously not good enough for, and I also am a big wrestling fan, so something to do with that. So those are my my 3 things I would do if I was not in banking. So what I love most about this job, it's definitely being in this particular role, of course, seeing the growth and the progress that this credit union has made in my short time here, and helping people, of course.